The 10-piece gardening tool set with zippered detachable tote and folding stool seat with backrest is an impressive all-in-one solution for any gardener. This set stands out with its practicality and convenience, featuring a lightweight aluminum frame that supports a comfortable seat made of strong polyester canvas. With dimensions of 12.0 inches in length, 13.5 inches in width, and 27 inches in height, and a weight of just 4.5 pounds, it's easy to move around the garden and provides ample support for long gardening sessions. The set includes essential tools: a trowel, transplanter, cultivator, weeding fork, and weeder, all neatly stowed in the outside pockets of the zippered tote for quick access. This design keeps your tools organized and within reach, reducing the need to make multiple trips to your tool shed. Additionally, the set comes with a pair of cotton gloves, a sprayer, and a 50-meter bind line, covering all the basic needs for gardening. The green canvas tote is durable and stylish, complementing the sturdy seat with backrest that ensures comfort while you work. Whether you're planting, weeding, or simply organizing your garden tools, this set offers everything you need in one compact package. Ideal for both new gardeners and seasoned pros, this gardening tool set simplifies your gardening tasks and helps you stay organized. If you're looking for a versatile and practical gardening kit, this set is an excellent choice for enhancing your gardening experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.